Hi, Tonya. It's me, Sarah, on my crappy cell phone camera. We were talking about this song last night, and I was listening to the second verse, and it totally makes me think of you. So, this is for you. You don't have to feel like a waste of space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew what the future holds. After a hurricane comes a rainbow. Maybe the reason why all the doors are closed, so you would open one that leads you down the perfect road. Like a lightning bolt, your heart will blow, and when it's time you'll know. You've just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like the 4th of July. 'Cause baby, you're a firework. Come on, show 'em what you're worth. Make 'em go ah, 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 as you shoot across the sky.